Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 23 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. The question goes like this. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial px square plus qx plus r, then find the value of alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha. The given polynomial is px square plus qx plus r. Here a is p, b is q, and c is r. That is, the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, which is minus q upon p. And the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c upon a. C is r and a is p, that is r upon p. We have to get the value of this expression alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha. Alpha beta is common. Taking that out, we are left with alpha square plus beta square inside the bracket. Let's use the identity alpha plus beta the whole square, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So from this we can get alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Substituting alpha square plus beta square, we get alpha beta times alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta is r upon p, and alpha plus beta is minus q upon p. The whole square minus 2 times alpha beta is r upon p, which is equal to r upon p times q square upon p square minus 2r upon p, which is r upon p times, taking the LCM for the bracketed quantity, we get q square minus 2pr upon p square, which is equal to r upon p cube times q square minus 2pr. Further simplification is not possible, so this is our final answer for this expression alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.